everybody. My name is Chelsea, and thanks for joining me again for another 2 to 5 minute Discord demystifying tutorial. This time, I would like to highlight a resource that I've been using for a long time, and that is going to be the Beginner's Guide to Discord. And you can find this at support.discord.com. Again, that's support.discord.com. Okay, so here I just want to talk about what is a server and how to use text and voice channels. All right, so what is a server? Discord gives you the power to create an invite-only home for your friends or community, a place where you can talk, hang out, and have fun. We call these special places servers. You can join or create servers for all kinds of communities, be it a book club, dance class, study group, etc. All right. And now how to use text and voice channels. Your server is made up of text channels and voice channels. Text channels are separate spaces for talking over text. They keep conversations organized and give everyone plenty of room to talk. Create separate channels for all the topics your group likes to talk about, from fishing trips to cooking tips. So I guess in our case, what will we have been reading and what classes are we taking? All right, and voice channels. Voice channels are where you can hang out over voice and video. There's no calling or ringing required, and you don't even have to set up a meeting like on Zoom. All you have to do is just click on the voice channel to enter it. Friends in your server can see you're in there and pop in to talk. Wave hello over video or share your screen. All right. Well, that was just a very simple walkthrough of our basic beginner's guide to Discord, and I hope that brought you guys some value. All right. Let me know with the emojis or comment below. Thanks. See you in the next one.